Hi friends, my name is Harpal and welcome to our channel Fulltechstack. This is part 1 of this video series on static website hosting on Azure with minimal cost. This is part 1 and here we will learn how to publish our static website on Azure Blob Storage Service. The second part we will learn if we are a team and working on multiple persons are working on it, then we will maintain a repository and how can we create CI/CD pipeline with Azure DevOps to our GitHub repository to publish our static website. And in the third part, we will learn another Azure service for web for static website, that is Azure Static Web App Service. So in this part, we will go through these stages. So prerequisites. So we will need an Azure account, and this account can have any subscription that may be free or pay as you go. Because this is a static website and we are learning for minimal cost, so any static website hosted on storage service will cost zero or in a month very less amount of money. So let's see first static pages. So I have one application that is having one HTML file and JS file and one style.css. So these are all static pages, and let me open it in Chrome to show you. So this is the app, small static app, not connecting any API or things. So we will host this app to our blog storage. So let's see your blog storage. I have Azure account and I have login as myself with pay as you go subscription. So I will first create a storage account, and storage account have multiple storage services. So for a static website, we have to create an storage account, and in that we have blob storage with the static websites. So let me first create storage account. When we search, there is a storage account, and we will create a new one. We will choose resource group. So I have learning group and name. So I am putting it here, full tech stack demo one. Full tech stack demo one. Yeah, it is good. So all things let's remain by default. Let's create it. Validation has been passed. So let's create it. So deployment is in process. So while that is being created, we will have next stage, that is VS Code extension. So Azure provides one VS Code extension that will help to host our application to storage service. So we will search storage, Azure storage by Microsoft. So we will download it, install it. Yeah, so that's get installed, and here it is. For this we have to log in with Azure. So let me login with Azure. So this is logged in. Now I can close this and switch to the my application. Now this is my subscription, and now our storage account is ready. So we can go to resource, and here we can find static website. We can enable it, and we can provide the index document name. So we have index.html. For error, for now we are remaining it blank. Pressing save. Successfully updated. So now we can go over VS Code. We can refresh here. Now we have static website creates one special container for hosting static website, that is called web. So we will search here web. So we will right click and upload files. So we can select all files and upload. So it's uploading on $.web container. So the file successfully uploaded. We can go on our portal and see the overview. And here we have a link. This is temporary link. So yes, we have successfully deployed our first version with Azure Blob Storage. So now the cool thing is, if we refresh it here and open this container, or we can change any content here. Let me add version 2 and save it. While I am saving, saving here, it's saving on the Azure. So if I refresh here, I will get the version 2. So while I am changing here, I can look my changes. Yes, so that changes. So the next, we have hosted our website. So we will need to map our domain with this URL. So Azure provides domain mapping for storage account with static website. So we will go to our resource, and we will go to our storage account. We will go on networking, and in networking we have custom domain. So here we have to map what domain we have purchased from third-party providers like some GoDaddy or other providers. So we can put that domain name here, and we have to place the CNAME in the domain provider, and we have to change that CNAME with this URL, and it will reflect as it provides like in 48 hour, but it it may reflect in 1 or 2 hour. So after that, the static website goes on your domain name. Yeah. So in this video, it was all, and one thing that is one extra, like we can also check what is in our website in the GitHub pages. With GitHub pages, it also hosts our website. So we can go settings, and in settings, I have this repo on GitHub, and in settings we will go to pages, and pages, this has been published on this URL. So here also we can see it is a static website with that URL. So it's all about this part. Thanks for watching it. Thank you.